Reverb impact effects. A great way to create a nice ambient impact is to use a long reverb. So first, choose a percussive sound. Then add a bandpass filter with the steepest available filters. So I've got an EQ8 here. I'm going to turn band 1 and 8 on. And we've selected the steepest filters available here, or the steepest EQ curve. And then I'm going to create a very narrow filter. So I'm going to sweep the frequency ranges here until I find a sweet spot that I like. Okay, I like the sound of that. So we've chosen a sweet spot frequency for the sound. So now I'm going to apply a long reverb. I've got Valhalla set up here, and 10 seconds plus will usually be a good starting point. So we've got a reverb set at around 10 seconds, and I'm not going to make too many adjustments on the reverb. Now we'll have a very focused impact effect. Let's have a listen. What we can do is we can resample this to create a riser. So I'm going to export this. We can bring the impact back into the project, reverse it, and now we have a riser effect. So in this quick tip, we used reverb and filtering, or EQ, to create a focused impact effect. We've resampled it to create a riser effect as well. We were wondering, what are your best techniques for creating custom effect sounds? Please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.